What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial, Baba Chops, from Poppy Playtime 4. Creepiest lamb I have ever seen. The Revenge of the Lamb. Wow, there's teddies like this around my house, and I can never look at them the same. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. Baba Chops is Baba Creepy. His eyes, right? Head tilted, eyes are kind of covered by these sort of like sheep's wool. So we'll just start sort of above the halfway. So say halfway, my page is here. We'll go up over to the left, and we'll do sort of a U-shaped eye because it goes underneath some fur. So we'll just like do a letter U. Okay. And then he's got like a white eye inside there, somewhere in the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect. And it's kind of like glowing. So the other one just beside it, kind of another sort of U shape. They are circular, but I'm saying U shape because you can't see the rest really. And then another little beady white eye there. I'll make this one a bit smaller as well. Okay, so there's these little balls of fur sort of coming down around, like a little bumpy sort of, they can be sort of bumpy little things if you want, or you can do them just circular. It's kind of up to you. And then another one on this side, coming down around here. They can have little bumps on them if you want. You know, little bumps like that as well, sometimes. And we'll color in the eyes black as well, just all around here, we'll color them black. Okay, so creepy little lamb's eyes. Right, so then you got nose right here, just a little bump, like so. And then there's a line sort of down the middle. And there seems to be two little nostrils just either side, like so. And we got a big mouth, crazy big teddy bear mouth. I think it's quite large. Right, that's like the top lip, and it curves all the way around here. Just keep that going. Right, and then teeth, so big. We'll do it as a single tooth to start us off. And then a line down the middle. Now you have options in here. There's no tongue really. I think it's just like stitching and stuff, so you can color it all black in there. Or you can go like a dark gray with a shadow, because it's kind of like a teddy bear mouth, and there can be some stitching going up that way, right? So that'd be like nearly black if you want. Or you could just go pure black, make it super creepy if you want. It's up to you. I'll probably color it dark gray. Right, so the side of the mouth then comes out from underneath hair. So you're just going around this shape again. Well, it's not hair, it's kind of fur really, or wool. Just go around the shape again. There. And we got loads of those woolen balls for hair, just going around here. And it's kind of bumpy, you know, with some bumps inside. You don't have to do too much of them. Do as many as you want. Another one, just above here. So kind of 4 across the top. And then the ears come out from, there's another one here, but we'll do the ear first. Ear coming out there, and then there's a little bump here. And then the ear just curves down. And then we got an inside section. And then there's another little bumpy fur ball there. Do the same on this side pretty much. So say bumpy fur ball and then ear. And then we'll bring this down that way. Another little bump coming out of it, like so. Then we got more fur on the top. So we just add all that. You can do this kind of random if you wanted. You don't have to do it the exact same way I do it. They're kind of all fused together. Yeah, they kind of meld into the one sort of shape. You can kind of make it up if you want. And just add a few more little bumpy textures on all this. Okay. And then he's got like a beard, kind of a beard of fur coming all the way around the head. Just overlapping cotton balls of wool. It looks like his shoulder comes out actually at this point. Right, and then another one sort of comes out from behind the back then. Here, I'm not sure if the shoulder or the fur is first. It's unclear. There's a dark shadow here, so you could do either one. You could do fur over the shoulder if you wanted. And there's a bit that goes behind the ear, maybe there. And you just put little bumps on it, little curved lines, textures. Like so. And then we got a skull down here, so we just do like a little curve here and on that side. And then we got that skull teeth section. It's kind of like a little square. And then the eyes are in there. Triangle for the nose. And then some teeth. We give him an edge, just like go around, trace around this again. Just makes it look a little bit more 3D. And then like his arm goes that way. And his belly goes down there, and his other arm goes that way. I guess we should see a little bit of shoulder or something over there. And then, does he have a zipper on his chest? Is that a zipper? Unclear, but maybe we'll make it a zipper, why not? So a zipper, you just have to do this sort of zigzag, like that. And he's kind of dirty, so he's kind of like, he's got like blood stains and splatters, you know, it's a horror game, so little sort of textures like this, little dash lines, sort of clustered dashes and dots, just make it look dirty. And then you could add like red paint or red marker or color, whatever way you'd like to color it, obviously. There he is, Baba Chops, Poppy Playtime 4. Creepy, as usual, from the Poppy Playtime people. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.